All right, this is Monday trade review. Um, I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna try to keep this short, keep these shorter in general. But I end up going on tangents and different things. So over the weekend, I got a new monitor, and it's working out, helping me get in my trades better. Um, but today was a great day. I'm up 140,000 in my IRA account, um, which is absolutely insane, all on one stock. And you could probably guess it. It's ACY. If anyone's following the market today, this thing made a parabolic move. And uh, I could have made a lot more money on this, but that's how it always is. And yeah, this was insane. Let's see if I can get all these out here. This was insane. This is the mover of the day. I saw this. It was already gapping up, crazy volume. I don't think it had halted by the time I got in, but I saw this on the. I mean, I don't know how to format this properly. I saw it kind of forming a flag down in here, and let's see if this can. Yeah, started forming a little flag down here in the 1 minute. 5 minute looked good too. Yeah, it just there was no stopping this thing for like half an hour. Um, but I ended up getting in on this thing right down here, or no, right at. Let me see actually. Yeah, right on this candle at 12:09 before the first parabolic move hit. Right here, 12:09 broke this. Tried to get in before this. It was just insane the volume. This was more of a just gap and go. There was no stopping it, so I just got in. And I think I had like 40,000, or I don't know what it was. I think it was like 5,000 shares down here. And I sold in the same candle at like 12.6, but I had 5,000 shares, so that was a quick 2,000 gain. 2,000, I think $2,900 gain. Yeah, $2,900 gain on that, which was insane. If I would have held this thing, which I should have, there's no reason for me to get out. That's what kind of bummed me out a little bit. Um, I was just going for a quick squeeze, and yeah, so I got out at 12.61. I just literally bought and then sold immediately, and this thing went all the way up to $14, and that would have been fucking, I don't even know, $10,000, something like that. But what ended up happening is I entered this earlier in my IRA account, my different account. I got them mixed up on accident. Bought 5K down here. Now, when I bought this, I went back and then bought more, but I was on a separate account. So I realized that, and I still had shares from down here. And this thing went all the way up to here, and I ended up getting out of the gap right before this gapped up. Like I sold right when this opened back up, and I was able to get out. Didn't get caught inside. It was absolutely insane. Um, but yeah, that was the parabolic mover today. More of just I mean, there's not one red candle from here on out. It's insane. Um, so yeah, that was good. Another trade that was good was, let's see, my next one down from that was 670. I wish I could share my other screen to show you how many stocks I got in, but I got in like, it looks like 12 stocks today, all for just quick squeezes, like 250 here, 420 here, 240 here, 200. But on FPay, I got 670. Um, yeah, entered on a bull flag, which I've been trading more of. I don't think I traded any triangle formations, ascending triangles right here. I more so did bull flags throughout the day. Like, I think I entered this one right here, 3-1. So a good entry would have been like 3-6, 3-7 when this broke this low candle, this low doji. But I got in 310, not a horrible entry, and then I rode up to 322, which was a 12-cent squeeze, 3K shares, and that was like 670 or something. 322 was pretty much the high. of that last candle. So not a horrible trade. That, and then there's other ones like it's another one. Let's look at like a 250, 370. Let's look at this 370 DPW. Okay. I don't know where. Probably here, huh? Yeah. Bull flag. Bull flag here. Beautiful bull flag. I mean, look at that. Like, yeah, this would have been perfect entry. I don't know where I entered this though. DPW. No, I think I spot in here. But yeah, perfect flag on DPW. I mean, this is picture perfect. Let's get a screenshot on this. I mean, damn. Low volume pullback. Do you see that? Put that there for now. But yeah, look at this. Low volume pullback. Obviously, this was a smaller doji. Obviously, you see, oh, look at all that red. It's the same matched, almost the same as this candle. But that candle doesn't matter. That's still people buying and selling. It's kind of, but it got pushed up from this low. That means people were buying the dip, which is bullish, and then this broke below here, which is not bad because it was above average volume, but it was lower than the previous sticks that made new highs. So then this stick comes in, more volume, breaks the high of this previous doji. Best entry probably would have been around 5, and then for a squeeze up to 5.3. That would have been a great trade. I don't know, I got in around here or something, but overall today, like I have 12 trades and they're all on bull flags and momentum trades. Like today had so much volume and like just volatility in the market. It was unreal. So I know I'm dragging on. I'm pretty tired. I'm doing this pretty late. Kind of out of tune a little bit. But let's look at my daily P&L. So this is today, the 28th. $5,020 on like 12 different trades. Majority of that came from ACY, or half of that came from ACY. The rest was just bigger trades. Okay, let's see details. So largest loss is 450. I took that today. My largest gain 2,900. Number of my percentage of winning trades is 76%, which is great. Got to keep it up there though. Losing trades 20%. And yeah, I'm getting my hold time up, which is great. My hold time was like 4 minutes before, but now I've kind of tuned into allowing my winners run a little bit more, and that's also showing more profits. I mean, we can see from let's see, daily, it's just going up. I mean, we obviously need more data to confirm this, but letting my winners run, got my voice. Letting my winners run has been a great profitable moment for me. And I think it's very important every day to go back and see something that you did wrong and something that you did right. And today was really good seeing those bull flag breakouts. Scalping was on point today. But on ACY, the gains could have been much larger in my scalp account if I would have just waited for a sign to get out, or at least not trim all of them at that price, because as we can see, it right after I got in at 12, I mean, I just was in and out. I don't know what I was doing. It seemed almost like a gamble, because that could happen the opposite direction. I was just doing it just to do it. But if I was trading smartly, I would have seen that above 12.3 on the 5 minute is bullish, and I got in at 12.09, which is a great entry. And if I would have just held this, and there's no stopping this thing. I mean, by the third volatility haul, I would have, or even up to here, I would have been out. At least half my shares, because I just really wish I would have sold half my shares down in here. That would have been nice, because it sold half my shares for my risk. My risk was 824. Or no, wait, I'm not on the right candle. My risk was 10.6, and I was getting in at 12. So technically, I should have held up to 14, cut half, and then let at least 3K or 2K ride all the way up. That would have been a couple grand, but it happens. But yeah, that's the one thing that I specifically, for my strategy and what I do, I need to allow my winners to run. And also work on my 1 and 5 minute trades. So look at the 1 and the 5 minute chart at the same time, to kind of confirm each other that it is a good setup. But that does require a little more brain power, and a little more time looking at trades. So that just takes time and practice. So overall, great day today. 5K is my biggest day in the last 2 weeks or so. So pretty stoked about that. And yeah, gonna close it out.